Guys, this is another YouTube video. Today I'll be opening
an Xbox One 2 controller.
number 6353642669.
69.
Yes, 69. He's in jail, my bad guys. But this is an Xbox controller. It says right here, wireless controller, Manatee Sandsville, control in Labrinco. It means controller the best. That's how it looks like. That was it looks like. Let's read the instructions. Elevate your game. I don't know what does elevate mean, but I think it's high. Stay on target with textured grip. Also includes Bluetooth for gaming on Windows 10 devices. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm trying. If you guys don't speak English, I can speak again in Spanish. Eleva tu juego. Mantente en el objetivo. Okay, my bad guys. Passes e un nivea superior. Cardes votre sebele grace ela boinges texto. Guys, I'm sorry. So I'm done with the instructions, but it says wireless controller with 3.555. Oh my bad, 3.5 millimeter stereo head jack time. A batteries. No, it's not A. It's batteries. It includes two batteries, two pals, two pillars. Xbox One Windows. It requires Windows 10. Yup, Xbox. This is an Xbox, not a PS4. And then this is the buttons. It's called X, Y, A, B. A and B is the first two letters, and X and Y are the last two letters. My teacher the other day told me to find the X value, and I was like, oh, that's my Xbox controller, the left blue one, and I got suspended. So yeah, it's Bluetooth. It's the Bluetooth. It's my world. Provides me time, and it's not trash at all. My mom thinks it's a waste of time, but Microsoft Corporation is only one Microsoft way. Redmond. Can you stop, Hassan? 9852-6399 USA, guys. That's their address, I think. But this is made by Microsoft. I didn't buy this from GameStop. I bought this for $70 at Microsoft. Oh, guys, by the way, it's made in China. And yes, now I will do opening. Then I have a scissors, red. I hate red. So let's open. Number 9 is I'm gonna open this, guys. This is the proof that's freshly new box. Oh snap! How do I open this? It's a hard thing, guys. I think so. I got it. And then, guys, be careful. You must have a prayer while you're using the knife. But I think so. You wanna look at this. If you can hear the voice, turn off the AC, guys. No, please. I don't want to get demonetized with this video. So, look at this. It's stuck. Look at this. I'm gonna try opening it. Oh yes. Now this is the front side. As you guys see, I already had that before. Now I need to put my phone in my mouth so I can show you the best thing. Okay, there we go. Now this is the controller you have been waiting for. This is how the box comes in. It says Xbox. My jacket, guys. I'm fat, so please. This is the Xbox, and that's the controller. I'm gonna be the first one to touch it. Wow, guys! As they promised, the two batteries come with it, and then wow, feels good. The first thing I'm gonna do with this is put it in my mouth. But that's how it comes with. Clean, fresh Jordans. It looks like I'm wearing fresh Jordans. Look at this. Damn, I'm wearing new Jordans. These are the white 12 retros.
Now review the battery.
Okay, now you guys have seen. Well, this is not only the thing. I'll make sure not to sit on it again like I did on my last one. But why is it so hard to open?
Ali, stop.
There we go. That's the capsule. And then that's all good. Do you want me to read the whole thing out? Wireless controller for Xbox
Shut up, buddy. Put it back.
It's just to make that this is not a fake one. It's a real one. This is not a waste of trash. So don't use this. And it says hello from Seattle. Guys, in the comments, please say hello back from your state. And then it says CEO. It means CEO. Get it? CEO? CEO. Then I want to close this thing nicely. Like, guys, I'm having some technical difficulties right now. Oh, there we go. That's clean, fresh. Look at this. Look at the controller. Oh, damn, that's not nice.
Ali,
They have a black mark on it.
Review the batteries now.
And now is the time for the batteries. I'll place that back. Can you move your hand, please? Fat. And now is the time for the batteries. It's called Duracell. And then it's called battery. And now it says do not trash, but
Oh
these...
snap, that is Usman. What the heck? I'm gonna go say hi. Wait up.
Oh guys, I think so. My brother just found one of his friends in the my friend just found one of his friends. And yeah, yes sir. This is the Xbox, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write a comment. I might be doing a giveaway for this controller. Psych.